Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Amma ba'd. Habati fillah. It's with sadness to report that one of our brothers was stabbed. He was a muezzin in one of the masajid. I'm not sure of his status, if he was just injured severely or he died from the attack. But it's something we've been talking about for years, and I think there should really be no mystery and surprises regarding these types of these scenarios. And it is upon us as a community, as other communities, faith-based and otherwise, some of them are taking more proactive measures to protect and preserve their communities, a more defensive posture. And this is very imperative, as I said before. In the UK is different than America or European countries. But however, in America, we have the right to bear arms if you do it legally and you go through the proper procedures. So my advice is that all the masajid should be prepared for these types of scenarios with emergency awareness and ways of protecting the community by being able to have emergency response techniques in place, meaning exits, to deal with fires, to deal with active shooters. The masajid need this in place, and I've been saying this in one form or another for years. And likewise, we need brothers to be legal, and sisters, at least in all the communities. My advice, and I believe in actively doing this, there should be those people who are trained in firearm usage. I'm not saying that they just have a gun and they're legal, but I'm saying they need to train. They need to go, because as we're allowed to do in America, we can go to the gun range. We can shoot by knowing the laws. In some of the states, you're allowed to shoot outdoors by following the law. And this is imperative as a means to protect the community and to also prevent those types of tragedies from happening, or being able to stop those tragedies while they are in progress. And that only comes with people having defensive training. That can be through martial arts. So I highly encourage in the UK the brothers to train jiu-jitsu, whatever, pinja silah, all the various forms of martial arts, and the women. I do advise that. So that way, since you deal with threats that are often threats that deal with hand-to-hand things, at least you have a means of dealing with that. Doesn't mean you're going to be successful. Doesn't mean you're going to... But you have, you feel more competent and have more chance, bi'idhnillah, to be able to defend yourself in your community if you've had some training. Maybe you take a cut, but maybe you can disarm an attacker and help to save the community and help to defend the community. Because what we saw, for example, in the Christchurch scenario, which was a travesty, a tragedy, but it seemed that some of the people were just laying down, ready to die, waiting to die. Now, what I'm saying is, by having a more active, proactive, defensive posture, being able to defend yourself and your community and your family and yourself and your property, as the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did and encouraged his ummah to do, that this is going to be the best way to deal with these tragedies. And we ask Allah the Almighty to have mercy and protect and preserve the community. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect everyone from the scourge of terrorism and wanton violence, whether it's perpetrated by a non-Muslim or a Muslim, because we don't condone any evil. Evil is never condoned. And we beg Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for our forgiveness and our shortcomings. Wa sallallahu wa sallam ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam.